Hey everyone, this video is to show you how to participate in the crowdfunding platform called HABC, Helping Anybody Change. So first of all, if you have a computer, okay, you have two options to go. So the first one is the participate at the top or the join us button at the bottom here. And if you use an iPhone, you have the option will be under contact, depending exactly on the layout, and it's going to be under join us. Okay, so we're going to start with clicking on participate. So you're going to have the form that will be pulled out, and make sure that when you're in that section, that means that you took the time to look at all the details of HABC and the rules, because when you enter your information and it's sent out, that means that you're going to be approved automatically, and you're going to be ready to send donations to the financial pool, okay, that we have with HABC. Okay, so first of all, you have to read the disclaimer here. So if you're sending money with PayPal, when you receive you receive a payment, or you're sending a payment to your receiver, they will need to select PayPal, okay, and select friends and family, okay, because it's a donation. It's not an actual product that you're buying. It's a donation, so it's friends and family. So that means that on your end, you're going to have a fee that you would have to pay, and that fee cannot be removed from the actual initial amount. Okay, so that means if you're sending $100, if you have fees, it's going to be more than $100 that you have to send. Okay, with PayPal. So you have to look at the information with PayPal when you do so. So here you have to put your name, your full name, first and last name, that you agree to of the disclaimer of HSBC. Okay, so make sure that you click on that, and then you put the actual email that you want us to send the details of your receiver when you're gonna receive the information about the welcome email. So that will be sent out to that, and the actual phone number that we could reach you. So make sure that you put a number that we could reach you at all time, because everything will be called. Everyone will be called with their number. And then you put your username. And here, since it's the first time, you're gonna put no, because it's not a redonation. But if you're putting more money for a donation, you would have to press yes. Okay, so depending exactly on the option here. And then those two sections is really important. Okay, so I'm going to explain you exactly what needs to be done. So if, for example, you're sending a donation of $100, you want to send a donation to someone for $100, you would have to select $100 here. Okay, but if you're sending multiple donations on multiple levels, because as you see we have 6 levels here, you would have to put the level amount that you want to add. Okay, because the only option that you have here is 100. So basically, if, for example, I want to put 100 and 200, so that means a total of 300. So I have to select 100, and I'm going to put 200 here. Okay, so make sure that you select the 100 and 200, and if it's more level, you're going to put 200, 400, and so on and so forth. Okay. Okay, so, and if you want to, for example, start at the 400 level or at the top, you need to have a donation on each level to be able to qualify. Okay, so you have to put 100, 200, 400, 800, 1600, and 3200. So those amounts need to be donated to a cause to be able to have all the level activated. Okay, so you're gonna press submit, and then you're gonna receive an email. They'll be just like this. Okay, when you're going to receive this email, that means that you have to send the amount to a specific person. Okay, so you're going to have your username, so make sure that you have your username here and you read everything, and make sure that you send out the donation within 12 hours starting when you receive the email. And then you put you're gonna have the details of the amount that needs to be sent for the donation, and the username, the name of the person, and their phone number. Okay, so please make sure that you have the right username, so that way make sure that you have the right amount to send out. And if, for example, you have multiple payments to send out at one time, you're gonna receive multiple emails. Okay, so you have to double check that every time. If you have more than one donation to send, you would have to check your email, because that will be sent out in different emails. Okay, it's not gonna be one email, because it's not gonna be the same, maybe not the same person that you have to send it. Okay. Okay, and then you're gonna open the donation form. Okay. So this donation form here, that means that you confirm that you receive a donation. Okay. You put your username, your email, your phone number, the username of the person that you receive. Okay. They're gonna give you that information. Make sure that you have that information in hand, and the board number. Okay. So that's really important. You have to put that information, so that way we could place the donation at the right at the right boards that we're using, and the amount that you receive. Okay, if it's multiple amounts that you have in multiple level, you're gonna have to do a multiple form for the payments. Okay, because it's not gonna be the same amount every time. And make sure that you put the processor. Okay, and you click submit. So that's it, guys. So I hope that everything was clear for you to show you how to fund your account, fund with the platform Habc, helping anybody change. So that note, I wish you a wonderful day, and see you on the next video.